So now I came from the ground. I completed around 4 rounds of the ground. It is almost 1500 meter. I just started to give some time to our health. So from today morning, I decided that I at least give 20 days our to my health in a month. Now come to the point, how we learn new vocabulary words. I also learn these things from the YouTube videos, but now I am explaining in my words to improve my communication skills. So if I talk about around 3 years ago, that time when I saw a new word, so I write down in the notebook, and I also note down the Hindi meaning in the notebook. If I take an example like ground, ground is like, this is a new word, ground. This Hindi meaning is Maidan. So if we write the meaning in Hindi, and I am remembering in the Hindi, then how I develop and how this word come in my mind when I speak. So it's very difficult and tough. So what we should do, that we should learn the phrases. Phrases means the group of words. Like if I take this ground example, I should write I play in the ground. The ground meaning is the new word, and the phrase is for this is I play in the ground. So when I write down this, then I know that the usage of this word. And if there are two or three meanings, then I also can write the different meaning, like uh, the country, the the players play cricket in the ground. Our Indian cricket team play in the ground. The football team also play in the ground. We can write many phrases of the new word, and that always, when we write the meaning, the phrase, that always try to relate to us or our community, or it should be related to us, so that we can relate easily. Like second word, like hate. Hate means in Hindi is grana, grana karna. If I write the same in the Hindi, then it doesn't come in my mouth when I try to use this in the English. So when I write I hate ice creams, I hate tea, or I hate samosas, like this, then these words remains in the mind. So we always should learn the phrases, and don't go a lengthy phrases, like when my friend comes, then we play in the ground. Don't use the lengthy phrases. Always use the smallest phrase, because it's easy to remember, easy to understand that. So I also started like that. because around 3 years ago when I wrote down the new words, I wrote the Hindi meaning. After that I forget that because I wrote down in the Hindi. And the most, I think, the most better thing is you just remember the phrases and just memorize them. Like today I have seen a word and I just make a sentence, make a phrase, and then I memorize it that this is the, and I can use this word these places. That is also better. So always learn phrases.